When you sing, is your voice breathy? Do you run out of breath and get vocally tired quickly? Probably too much air is escaping as you sing. Well, welcome back to my channel where I, your favorite musical doctor, help you find your voice and master singing. I am Dr. Marison from the Dynamic Vocal Institute, and for over 15 years, I have helped people just like you to find their voice in a safe and healthy way. Today's Singing for Beginners episode is all about getting rid of breathy tone and achieving healthy, balanced, focused sound. Please like and subscribe to keep up with all the tips I post weekly. Many singers out there want to have a breathy sound, perhaps because their favorite singer sings this way, but the reality is that prolonged breathy or raspy singing can cause damage to the vocal cords. A breathy tone occurs when your vocal cords do not fully close, allowing air to escape quickly as you sing. This could be the result of poor support and breathing techniques. And that's why I advise you to go and watch the video from last week where we talk about the balanced breath. The balanced breath will really help you achieve appropriate closure of the vocal folds. A balanced, focused tone starts with a clear onset. Onset means the initiation of vocal tone. Vocal tone is a result of the coordination between the muscles of the larynx and the exhaled air that passes through the vocal cords. When the coordination is not balanced, air can escape through the cords as we phonate, producing the breathy sound. The larynx is where the vocal cords live, which is also known as the voice box. As you can see in the image, the larynx is located where your Adam's apple is. See right here? To produce a clean, natural sound, there must be a perfect balance between the muscles of the larynx and the exhaled pressure during onset. This coordination depends on the balanced breath that we talked about in the episode about breathing for singers and the right support. Our goal as singers is to maintain the inhalation position of the breathing process as we exhale. Eventually, it would all come back to where it needs to be or it normally would be, but that's our goal, to kind of delay that process. Even though breathy singing is not healthy, there are instances that it may be used as an artistic choice for dramatic purposes. The key is that the singer knows when to use it or not to use it, and that it is a musical choice and not the way that they sing usually. The other extreme to a breathy onset is the glottal or hard onset. The vocal cords close tightly before air goes through them, producing a grunt sound, something like Excessive use of these harsh onsets can cause vocal problems, including nodules. The following exercises will help you achieve a balanced sound. First, take a full balanced breath and support as you start these exercises. So make sure to take that balanced breath and keep that expansion as you start exhaling and singing. So maintain that buoyancy and lifting of the ribs and expansion of the abs as you do these exercises. So first, we're going to do a breathy ah or sigh. Ah. Ah. Many of you sing of this sometimes, like, hey, dude. Ah, da, da, da. So as we know, this prolonged type of singing will not really do good. So to get rid of this, for the next exercise, I want you to open your mouth with an open mouth. I want you to imagine that you're biting an apple and you're scolding somebody in a gentle manner. And then you go, ah, 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 ah. And that sound per se, if you can feel it, it's very buzzy and it's very focused. and there's not a lot of air going through the vocal folds. You can't really hear that sound that we heard in that breathy side we did earlier. So this is not meant to be pretty for now, but it'll help you get that coordination of the larynx going for you. Now for the next exercise, I want you to sustain this ah sound for 4 beats. So let's try that. Ah. If you want to do it a little higher, you may too, but this is all meant to be in this speaking tone for now. Ah. Now I want you to do these exercises with the E vowel, which is, it actually pronounces like in the word he, e, he, or he, with that breathiness so you can feel it. And now you're going to change it to more of that scolding sound, and like if you're biting an apple, e, or e, and now you're going to sustain it. E. This next exercise is a 3-note scale going down 3, 2, 1, and it's very simple. It's on the word ding. It just goes like this: ding, 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 ding. The next exercise is on the A vowel again. We're going to do the single notes for 4 beats, and then you're going to sustain that note for 4 beats. The key here is for you to find the same space you found for the A vowel at the beginning at the first exercise that we did here, where it was you did the ah sound and you found kind of that scolding, gentle scolding sound. You're going to apply that to singing. So we're going to do that now. The vowel ah once again. Ah, that's your note. Ah, 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 ah. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. Now on the E vowel. E, 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 e. Remember to keep a buoyancy in your ribs as you do this. So as you exhale, feel that every time you renew the sound, you're renewing your breath as well. E, 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 e. Congratulations. For more information and virtual lessons, please send me an email or visit my website, dynamicvocalinstitute.com. I hope you enjoyed and got value out of this video. If so, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting a new video every week with my tips and tricks to help you find your voice. Comment below with any questions or challenges you face in singing so that I, your favorite musical doctor, know to include them in future episodes. Remember to keep singing and subscribe. Thank you for watching.